Hello friends, this is Akshay More working as a assistant professor, Department of Botany at GMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. Friends, today we are going to study about genetics. So, first of all, we have to see what is genetics. Friends, genetics it is the science of heredity and it deals with the study of characters and their transmission from the parents of the young ones. Friends, John Mendel was the father of genetics, and the word genetics was coined by Batson in 1905. So, first of all, see what is a genetics. Friends, genetics means the branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation among their organism. So, what is genetics? Genetics is the study of heredity and variation. Next, we have to see some definition of genetics. First one, genetics. It is the branch of science concerned with genes. It is branch of science concerned with genes, heredity, and variation in living organism. Friends, this definition given by Joseph Springer. We have one more definition. So, see here, genetics. It is the science. Is the science of heredity dealing with resemblance and differences of related organism, so resulting from the interaction of their genes and the environment. So this definition given by Alan Boyden. So these are the definition of genetics. uh, Next topic, concept of heredity and variation. So we have to see first of all what is a heredity. Heredity means, friends, the offspring of all the organisms, so that is plants and animals, resembles their parents in several aspects. So this only due to the phenomenon of heredity. So hereditary literally means a tendency of like budgets, like that is all living organisms tend to produce offspring themselves. So heredity may be defined as the transmission of character from the one generation to successive generation for a parent to their offspring. What is heredity? It is a transmission of characters from the one generation to another generation. That is parents to their offspring. So this is the normal concept of heredity. Next, variation. So what is variation? Friends, the variation means the offspring receive all the characters from their parents. They are not exactly alike. Differences are found even between the offspring of the same parents. It is difficult to find out the identical individuals. So the progeny differs not only in itself but also with the parents. So friends, differences are called variations, and you know that very well. But variations may be defined as visible differences between the parents and the offspring, or between the offspring of the same parent. It is a visible differences we call variation. Friends, variation divided into some types, or you can say it is a classified into two types. First one, the hereditary variation, and second one is a environmental variation. Next, branches of genetics. Friends, here this is the main branches of genetics. We have to see one by one, and its meaning or its concept. First one is plant genetics. So friends, the plant genetics means it is a branch concerned with all genetical and hereditary aspect, followed by the plant species. So plant genetic is a very broad term. So there are many facts of genetics in general. There are many faced to plants. So this is the main concept of plant genetics. Next one, animal genetics. Friends, in that branch we have to see animal genetics. It is a larger private provider of genetical testing. So service for horses offers a variety of reliable state of the art DNA test to identify certain genetical traits in breeding horses and to determine the likelihood so that these traits will be passed to offspring. Next one, human genetics. In that branch, genetics, it is the study of inheritance and as it occur in human beings. So human genetics encompasses a variety of overlapping field, including that is classical genetics and cytogenetics, molecular genetics, biochemical genetics, genomics, population genetics, developmental genetics, and clinical genetics. So all these points cover in human genetics. Sorry, all this field included in human genetics. Next one is microbial genetics. Friends, in that branch, genetics it deals with the genetics of microorganism, that is viruses, bacteria, unicellular plants and animal. All these organism included in uh, this branch, that is a microbial genetics. Next one, Mendelian genetics. Friends, Mendelian genetics involve the study of heredity of both quantitative, that is monogenic, mono is single, monogenic and quantitative polygenic, poly means many, single trait or many trait genes, and the influence of environment of their expression. So these are the concept of Mendelian genetics. Next, clinical genetics. Friends, in clinical genetics, involve the detection of causes of diseases such as hemophilia, color blindness, diabetes, and phenylketonuria. These are the disease with detection in this branch. Next one, immunogenetics. Friends, in this branch, deals with the genetic of production of different type of antibodies. So the diversity of antibodies has been found to be under control of genetic regulation. So friends, these are the main branches of genetics and their concept. Friends, hope you understand this topic. Thank you.